Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Canva offline mode or not internet connection error. First of all, check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection. See if you have a supportive or stable network, and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. After that, we're going to close and reopen Canva by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Remove it and then reopen it. This rules out temporary glitches. After that, restart your iPhone if needed, and avoid working on sensitive designs over public Wi-Fi. Quick fix: switch to mobile data or try another network. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.